Got the remote downstream, hit the on button, wait on soak. There we go. Gonna go ahead and soak this side, get it rolling. Sorry, forgot about that. Hit the down, hit the door, very lightly, you don't want to hit it too much. Get all over here. As much as you can with the fan tip. But Tony's still doing some property protection. Got a little wind out here too, so we'll go ahead and soak this side and I'll catch you back. Alright guys, just using a remote downstream, hitting this roof area. Coming up pretty good. It was really dirty. So yeah, covered up everything, took everything off the porch, property protection. Of course, you know we're good for that. That's what we do. Make customers call us back without popping a plug. And gonna upsell that roof. All right, Tony, let me get this. We're doing this roof, all vinyl. Gotta be careful because I like to do like I'm painting. Again, low pressure M5 twist. And we'll get closest to the fans as we can. And then is what we do is we'll go ahead and wipe around the fans down. So anyway, I'll hit you up. Finishing up the last side, had to pull out the Davis shooter tip. The M5 twist wasn't getting to the peak because we got a pretty strong wind from Hurricane Sally. Of course, we're east of Sally, but we're still getting a little bit of wind. So we're having to hit the eaves, the facial twice, just because the top wasn't washed in a good while. But it's been very clean, as you can tell in the back. Very nice, very nice. Even got the peak, of course, with the Davis shooter tip. Why you always got to keep separate tools on a job. You never know what you're going to run into. This J-Rod, I barely use it anymore, but I use that Davis shooter tip often. So we're going to go ahead and rinse off. In fact, let me crank it up. See if we can get up here pretty good with this Davis shooter tip. Get a good rinse. You can see that. Got to go through the trees. Just make do with what you got, baby. That's what we do. Get the windows real good. Try not to hit the AC too much. Little cascading effect, like my boy Joe Deary. Shout out to him. If you don't follow him on YouTube, very good guy. Just rinsing them off as much as we can. I even thought about breaking out the little higher pressure tip, but it's okay. We're getting it done. Yeah, so got to work to this side because of the, you can tell, the wind, so strong. Got a little bit of rain on you. Yeah, this Davis shooter tip's nice if you don't have one. Maybe a good investment for your arsenal. Again, we don't use it often, but when we need it, it's there. And it works with the, it's a soap on deal. So if you don't have a remote downstream box, you have to get go up there and move the stick out, the bucket. We running that remote downstream, and this is coming nice and clean. Again, this property hasn't been cleaned in a long time. So we're just trying to help them out. Gave him a pretty good deal. Yeah, let me finish this side and we'll wrap it up. Guys, finishing up the job. Just gonna give you a little quick peek. Everything came out beautiful. At the high peaks, took a couple shots, but we got it all. And that's painted up top. It's not siding, so it was a little more dense with the algae, but we got it all wrapped up. Got everything put back on the porch. Setup is ready to go. So whoever says the small trailer won't work, it works. We're using a 4 GPM, no buffer tank right now. We're gonna make that happen, but we're ready to roll. I hit you on a wrap up in a second. About to get paid. All right, guys, well finished up, wrapped up for the day. Got the trailer in the driveway next to the boat, the beast. Anyway, just want to kind of give you a heads up. This job that I just did, that we just finished the day with, was a Nextdoor app. So I went on Nextdoor. You're able to sign up, do your business. You got to send in paperwork to prove that you're a legit business. But once you do, you get 2 free posts a month. And look, that was $300 that I made off of a free post. And she says, oh, by the way, I need you to come back and do my fence. It's another $300. So we're going to go back, soft wash the fence. So, and then she's going to give me a bunch of reviews. So utilize all the avenues of marketing for especially free. Facebook, Nextdoor, Instagram, website. That's not free, but you know, anything you can do for free, do it. It's good. And before and after pictures is what sold it, she said. So she liked it. She's going to call me back. She's going to recommend me on Nextdoor, Google review, Facebook review, building up those reviews. So, and I noticed also when I get a review on Google My Business, I reply with keywords like in my town. You know, I say my town plus pressure washing, or my town, or pressure washing plus my town, or roof washing plus my town, just to kind of link the keywords so you can try to rank up. It's all an SEO game, and I'm still trying to figure it out. I'm no master at it. I'm just trying to figure it out. But we've been getting jobs. We've got some more lined up this weekend. So it's been good. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys, and anything I can do to help. And I'm willing to share my knowledge. Not that it's much, but we've got a very simple setup. And I'm going to do a trailer walk around pretty soon and do a detailed video so you guys can see what I'm working with and my setup. So anyway, y'all have a good night. Peace.